Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start with the essentials. Use the original Vivo charger and cable marked for fast charge. Third-party leads often limit current. Once done, plug the charger into a wall outlet, not a power strip, and connect to your phone. Make sure battery sits between 1% and 80% for an accurate test. Close background apps or enable airplane mode so the phone doesn't draw extra power. This establishes a controlled baseline for diagnosing fast charging issues. Now you'll dig deeper. Inspect the USB-C port for lint or corrosion and clean it gently with a soft plastic pick or compressed air. Debris can block pins and reduce charging speed. Then open Settings, go to Battery, and confirm Fast Charge or Turbocharge is enabled. If that's set but still slow, update the phone's system software. Sometimes firmware fixes charging negotiation. Also test another known good fast charger and cable to isolate phone versus accessory phone. Finish by measuring charging current with a USB power meter or by swapping to a confirmed Vivo fast charger. You want to see the expected amperage. If readings remain low, reboot the phone or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with charging. Once you confirm it's not software, schedule a service appointment. Battery or charging IC replacement may be needed. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: test and document results with photos and meter logs before contacting Vivo support to speed up repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.